What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323, back in my mom and dad's basement. Let's check this out right here. So this is a case of beer. Yes, this is a case of beer. My dad was sitting at the table and he started making something because my mom likes collecting. If you could see, my mom really likes collecting a lot of stuff, okay? So he was sitting at the table with a beer case, and with the beer case he went ahead and made just this house right here. Then he started gluing the wood to it on the sides, right? And then they started collecting all the pieces, or they had some of the pieces, so he wanted to make it, and they ran out of room on the bottom shelf, so he made a second shelf so my mom could put more stuff on. So her Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs set that she has right here. Pretty awesome, huh?